And welcome back to Beverly Stunning Creations, a channel that's dedicated to high-end, glam, DIYs that's easy on your pockets. So let's get started. In this DIY, I'll be using this little pumpkin situation here that I found at Dollar Tree, and of course I found it in the plus section for $5. Now before I get started, even though we have silver leaves and it's a great background, I still want to make it more silvery. So I'm going to use my Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint. I'm going to spray paint the front and this wooden base that is on the top, on the sides, and back here as well. And it has 2 screws here, so I'll probably just go ahead and remove those and just spray paint it separately. And I also have this sign from Dollar Tree as well, and I found this in the plus section. My granddaughter has been using it to paint her little stuff on or whatever, so don't worry about that because this is going to be under the bottom of my piece. So I'm going to spray paint this silver as well. So I'll do that. Here's the base. I also have 4 of these Dollar Tree mirrors, and I've already removed the label and those little feet that be on the back. So what I'm going to do is glue all 4 of these in the center. And I'm going to use some of my Gorilla Glue. Okay, so now let's sit up and dry. Back with my pumpkins. And here's the base. So for the base, I'm going to go ahead and cover it with some mirror towel. And again, because I spray painted it silver, I'm going to add some additional glue to make sure that the mirror towel sticks. And the reason that I painted the base silver is because sometimes the mirror towel does not cover it completely. So whatever's showing in the background will be silver, so it won't be as noticeable. I'm just going to measure. It's almost perfect. But this time around, I'm going to use some fix-off glue from Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so this is where I'm at so far. Pretty much have everything covered. I have a little bit here and there. I really don't need to put any rhinestones there, but I might anyways, just because it would mess with me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up some of these glue webs and then we'll move on to the next. Okay guys, so this is what we have. I went ahead and put rhinestones on the outside as well, just to make it more finished looking. And I did go ahead and put them all the way down. It took me about an hour. So the next thing I want to do is decorate these 2 pumpkins. And because there's 3 different pumpkins, I want to go ahead and decorate them differently. I'm thinking about adding some of these Dollar Tree small acrylic diamonds. Get an idea as to what that would look like. And just put them on there. That's a look. Okay. And that's going to be relatively easy. Okay, so I'm going to use my UV resin. I have my new UV light. I have my UV protective glasses. Everything I found on Amazon, and I'll link it below. Okay, I put my glasses on. This is the larger pumpkin. So I'm gonna go ahead and go here. Just pull this up like that out the way. Like that. There's like a strip of metal that's holding these on. So I'm gonna take some of my UV resin and put it down. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some of these right on top. And because the light can actually penetrate these stones, the UV lamp will cure the resin. I'll turn it on and pop that under there. Let's see if it works. Okay, perfect. They're not going anywhere. Now I'll just go ahead and finish the rest. Now let's shake off the ones that didn't stick. We only have 2 that didn't stick. Okay. Whoa, this blingy. Woo! I think I need to add a couple up there at the top. Yeah. Look at that. Isn't that blingy? Whoa. Okay, so let's put this paper down because for this pumpkin, I'm going to use glitter. So again, I'm going to use my Wicked Stick It, and I'll link it below. And I do have a discount code for you guys if you want to try it. I'm going to use 2 different kinds of glitter. I'm going to use these big flakes. They're kind of octagon shaped glitter. Found these at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use really fine glitter as well. Alright, so I'm going to take my brush and just brush on the Wicked Stick It. So now I'm just going to sprinkle on some larger flakes because if I wait to do this after, then they really won't stick as well. Because you can also use your shim pickup tool, put them down in certain places. Okay, so my glitter is really fine, super fine. So I'm just going to take that and sprinkle it right on top. Of course, I will allow the Wicked Stick It to dry before I shake it. So meanwhile, I'm going to add some glitter to the stems and to the leaves as well. Maybe some even on the little twig there. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to allow this to dry. Then I'll do the other 2. Again, I'll put the paper back there to collect the glitter after each one. And then I'll let them dry and come back. Alright, so here's what we have so far. Look at that. Woo, you talk about bling. This is a blingy pumpkin. As you can see, I put the glitter on all the leaves, even on these little springy things, and on the stems. Now, as for these little spiral outline, I thought about putting some silver leaf on there, but then that's going to make it shine too, so you won't have that contrast between the blingy and the dull. So I'm going to leave those as is. That's one of the main reasons that I spray painted the silver. I wanted these to be a nice silver color. So now I have the contrast that's going to allow that to show even better, okay? So now I will allow the Wicked Stick It to completely dry, and once it does, I'll come back in and do one more thing to it and be done with this part. But for now, we're going to go back to the base. Okay, again, here's our base. I'm going to do now is wrap this bling around the base, and I'm just going to put some hot glue right on those little tabs. Be careful, do not burn your fingers. Alright, so back to this piece. I'm going to take some UV resin and put it right over the leaves. Now you don't have to do this, is just because I want more of a 3D look for my leaves. Remember guys, this is a DIY. Whenever I'm making a DIY, you can always change something you don't like. Okay, now let's hit it with a lamp. So now can you see the difference? So yeah, that takes it next level. Ooh, I really love that. I'll do that to the rest of the leaves as well. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Isn't that beautiful? The leaves turned out really pretty. I hope that you can see the shininess of the leaves. I don't think I want to do the stems the same way. Let's leave the stems the way they are. I'm just going to seal the glitter with some hairspray. And then I'm going to come back and put everything together. Guys, remember the base? I've already cleaned it up. I'll probably get some more fingerprints on there. And I'm going to remove that as well. Go ahead and put this back in place. But for me, I'm going to put it on this base like this, and I'm going to use it as a tray. So now I'll take my Gorilla Glue and some hot glue and glue this in place. I think I'm going to put some string lights in here, some type of lighting source just to make a reflection of the light. So now I'll be able to use this as a tray. So you can put like little candy dishes on here. Finally, my completed over-the-top blingy pumpkin tray. Now, as I was saying, you can use it to put candy dishes on there. You can also use it for your candles and other small pieces of decor. I think it would be really pretty with my DIY glass pumpkin. And I'll leave a link to that DIY below in the description. Comment below how you would use this tray. Okay everyone, this concludes this DIY. Please stay tuned for more videos. Before, my regular upload days were Sunday and Wednesdays. But now I need for you all to look for a video every day because I have so many ideas and I need to get them out to you all. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's absolutely free. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.